very fragile though.
Yeah. Alright dudes, was just digging here with underground Buddha using the Teknetics T2 in the cornfield, the small 5-inch puck coil at Bobby's Field of Dreams, and pulled out.
Looks like a buttonage.
Looks like buttonage, toasty,
Tacoed.
little flat buttonage, but stuff's still here, and we're gonna get it.
We're here.
On to the next. Alright dudes, got another hole here. Decent signal. Teknetics T2, about 30 feet from the last button. I see some rounded, green roundage. I'm hoping it's another button. Super tiny. Wow. That is super tiny. But it's definitely a button. Booyah! 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 Woohoo! I love it. I think it's a button. Yeah, that's a shank. It's not a cuff link. I don't think, but we'll clean it up. I can't even get up my big old glove fingers up on it. I think it's a plain little flat button, but we'll clean it up and see. Alright, on to the next. Bobby's fast, man. Boo! We'll be back. Alright dudes, I just cleaned it up and it is beautiful. It has like a flower design on it. It's definitely a button. I love it. I love it. That is beautiful, dudes. Ugh. Alright, on to the next. Pew pew. Holy crappage, dudes. Oh, I lost it. Oh, I found it. Another button. That looks like another teeny tiny button. This little coil, dudes, is phenomenal. 5-inch puck coil. Teknetics T2. Button number 3, dude. It's crazy. It's crazy. I lost it. I found it. It's a small coil, man. It gets in between. It's phenomenal. It's another little fancy. It's crazy. Look at that, guys. Something on there. The other one's really fancy. It's got a flower on it. I love it. I'm staying over here all day.
Buttons are crazy over here.
Alright guys, we'll be back.
We did it, a button.
It's got
shank.
Yeah, we'll be back. Boom. Alright dudes, I was just digging here. Boom. And every once in a while we see a piece of a silver rim sticking out. I see rust and stuff too, so who knows what that could be. I'm guessing junk. But we all know it's a little exciting when you see that at first, right? So let's see what it is. Oh, it's bigger junk than I thought, but it's junk. Yep, we get a lot of that. We'll be back. Pew! In the bag it goes. Junk bag. On to the next. Again, I got excited by that, and then boom, it's a key. Part of a key, not even a whole key. Ay, booyah, pew pew. Dudes, that dude just pulled something out.
Finally.
Awesome D buckle. Beautiful color. Awesome dude. It's gonna be a short day for me, but Bobby's probably gonna stay longer. Yeah.
Too nice out not to. Hello to all you Michiganders out there that are freezing your asses off. I want to say hi.
That's not nice.
I'm so sorry.
I know who you're picking on. You're picking on Joe right now.
No, just because I made a t-shirt in February.
Cut it out. All right. We'll be back. It's a beautiful day. Get out and find something good, dudes.
Yep.
That's a good picture. Aww. Alright, dudes, my last signal of the day is a whatchamacallit. Could be part of a croto bell, but a very tiny part. And that's it. Unfortunately, I have to cut out. But it was an awesome day with Underground Buddha. You rock, dude. Pew pew. Catch you next time. Pew.